Most people blame their alarm clock for rough mornings. Turns out, the real game changer happens the night before. The secret to better mornings isn't your alarm clock. It's what you do the night before. For 14 days, I tried a Night Self Detox, and it changed everything. Here's how you can steal this routine. Let's face it, late night scrolling, caffeine binges, and overthinking are stealing your energy. Science shows that just 30 minutes of screen time before bed slashes REM sleep by 40%, which means groggy mornings, bad decisions, and zero motivation. But what if you could hack your nights to wake up refreshed in just 14 days? Rule 1, the 10 p.m. phone jail. Charge your devices outside the bedroom. No exceptions. Rule 2, the 8 p.m. caffeine curfew. No coffee, tea, or soda after 8 p.m. Rule 3, the 9 p.m. worry dump. Spend 5 minutes journaling every fear, thought, or to-do list, then close the book. That's a day 1 felt easy until I realized I'd been using my phone as a crutch. By day 3, I almost caved. But here's what kept me going, tracking tiny wins. By day 7, my energy doubled, but my partner hated rule 1. Where's your phone? A 2023 study found cutting pre-bed screen time boosts deep sleep by 42%, which means faster muscle recovery, clearer skin, and laser focus. Neuroscientists call the 90 minutes before sleep the golden window where your brain hardwires habits. So yes, rewiring your nights literally rewires your life. So are you in? Comment Night Detox below. Let's do this together. And if you're ready to level up, smash subscribe. Next week, we're tackling the 5 a.m. Miracle Challenge. See you then.